In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an overlay in Clipchamp, and it should only take about 5 minutes to get the hang of it. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Clipchamp's website. If you haven't visited before, Clipchamp is a powerful online video editor that's quite user-friendly. Once you're there, you have a couple of options to get started. You can either sign in if you already have an account, or if you're new here, follow the sign up instructions, which are usually quick and easy. Once you've signed in, you'll want to use your Microsoft account for a seamless experience. Go to the login page and click on Continue with Microsoft. When prompted, simply select your Microsoft account from the list. This will help ensure the integration between accounts goes smoothly and you can start editing right away. Now that you're logged in, you're on the home page. Look for the Create a New Video button and give it a click. This will open up the video editor and you'll see your workspace. It's a blank canvas waiting for your creativity. The next step is to bring your media files in. Find the Import Media option on the top of the screen. It will allow you to select the files you want to work with from your computer. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your files directly onto the timeline. This is your main area of focus, where the real editing magic happens. After your videos are uploaded, drag and drop them onto the timeline below. You'll see each video clip represented visually, making it much easier to manage and edit. To create an overlay effect, you'll want to place the video that goes on top, right above the main video track. Click and adjust it so that it aligns well with the content below. Don't worry about making it perfect on your first try, you can always tweak it later. Once the video is positioned on top, you can resize it as needed. Clipchamp makes this part intuitive. Just click on the corner of the video and drag it to your desired size. This feature is especially handy when you're aiming for a picture-in-picture effect, allowing both videos to be visible simultaneously and creating an engaging visual experience. At this point, you're nearly there. With your overlays properly adjusted, it's time to refine your video further. Clipchamp provides options to add filters and effects to your clips, which can help enhance the look of your overlays and bring your vision to life. Simply explore the filters and effect options, apply them to your video clips and see what works best for your project. Once you're satisfied with the final look, you're all set to export your video, and there you have it, a simple way to add overlays using Clipchamp, all in a matter of minutes.